Hello friends, subscribers and new viewers of this channel, and welcome to Python tutorials. In this tutorial we explain how to remove or erase Anaconda or Conda Python virtual environments. Now, as you can see over here in this video tutorial, we are using Linux Ubuntu. However, if you're using Windows operating system, the commands will be exactly the same. So let's immediately start. First of all, open a terminal. And over here in the terminal, first write this, conda info --envs. This is going to list all the virtual environments on your system. You can see the name of the virtual environments, and over here you can see the installation folders. Note over here that this is the base Anaconda virtual environment, and don't erase this environment. These other environments are the environments I created. Another way to list all the environments is to simply type this conda env and then list, and this will return the same list of environments. Okay, so let's say that I want to erase this virtual environment. So how to do that? Well, we need to follow this syntax. We need to call conda, then remove, then --name, and then we need to specify the name of the virtual environment, and over here we need to specify --all. This --all means that we will erase all the packages and all the configuration files inside of the virtual environment. So let's start writing conda, remove, --name, and then over here I'm just going to copy the name. Here it is. Then I'm going to specify --all, and bang, that's it. You will be asked to proceed, yes, and now everything will be erased. Let's now press again Y to erase everything, and that's it. Now let's make sure that we have properly erased everything. So let's list our virtual environment, and let's see what happens. And you can see over here that we have completely erased our virtual environment. Okay, that's all for today. I hope that you like this video. If you like the videos I'm creating, please press the like and subscribe buttons, and see you in the next video tutorial.